With the onset of liberalization and globalization, our country has shown tremendous progress in various sectors of economy. This has led to the emergence of an industrial scenario where greater emphasis is placed on productivity and quality, which warrant due attention to safety at workplace. Scant regard for safety practices result in injuries at workplace. This, in turn, costs dearly in terms of medical costs, lost wages, and production losses. Many injuries can be prevented by following safety practices. Awareness about shop floor safety makes the employees exercise care while carrying out procedures for handling various materials, operating different kinds of machinery, and performing various tasks safely while at the same time ensuring optimal productivity. Knowledge about workplace safety and its application is the joint responsibility of both the management and the employees. Safety at the shop floor can be ensured by providing safety equipment to the workers, developing right attitudes towards safety amongst the workforce, and management responsibility towards safer work practices. In this program, we shall focus on these aspects related to safety one by one. Safety equipment. Every worker should be familiar with the use of personal protective equipment and safety procedures. The various equipment used for ensuring safety at the shop floor are apron, shoes, gloves, mask, safety glasses, safety shields, and machine guards, etc. Here you see a worker whose shirt is badly damaged due to non-protection against flying hot chips. At the time of working on a machine, a worker must wear an apron. Further, it should be ensured that the apron is properly tied at the back. The worker should always wear shoes while at work. It prevents injury due to fall of any heavy object on his feet. Shoes also provide safety against electric shock and protect against chemicals. Gloves may be worn depending upon the workplace requirements. Always use gloves while handling hot objects placed in a furnace. Gloves should also be invariably worn while working in industries where chemicals are handled. Masks should be used invariably in case of any adverse environment at the workplace, like in a paint shop. Hair should always be well protected at the workplace. Persons with long hair should wear a turban or a cap to prevent serious accidents. Use safety glasses and face mask during welding operation. Safety glasses should be used for protection against sparks during machining operations. Use safety shield mounted on the machine to protect eyes and face from any sparks and splinters. Machine guards are provided to ensure safety of the worker. Both the front guard and the rear guard prevent scattering of chips and provide protection to the operator. Thus, we have seen how the proper use of safety equipment and devices make the working place safer and free from hazards. However, availability of such equipments and devices alone will not help unless safety is inculcated amongst the workforce as a matter of habit. For this purpose, the development of right attitude is extremely essential. Right attitudes. The workers must perform their duties as per the prescribed rules and regulations for working on various types of equipment and machinery. Some of the important work habits are: never leave the workplace untidy after the work is completed. The machine should be properly cleaned and chips must be removed using a brush. Always load the workpiece on the machine in a proper and prescribed manner. For example, on a milling machine, clean the base of the vise first, put the setting plates in position, now place the workpiece over the plates. Tighten the vise using appropriate tools. The machine is now ready for operation. Switch on the power supply. Bring the workpiece near the cutter. Adjust the cutting parameters carefully and carry out the operation. Switch off the machine after the operation is over. For loading heavier workpieces, make use of chain pulley. Similarly, unloading of heavier workpieces should be carried out carefully with the help of chain pulley. Make it a habit not to wear any ring, bracelet or watch etc. while carrying out any machining operation. Avoid any temporary placement of tools on the machine. Always put the tools at their proper place. After use, place the instruments back in the storage rack. This helps in their easy retrieval for reuse later on. The tool rack should be placed at a convenient distance from the machine. Stop the machine first, only then take any measurement or do the cleaning work. Do not smoke at the workplace. It may lead to serious accidents besides creating an unhealthy work environment. Management responsibility. The management has a crucial role to play for ensuring industrial safety. Awareness of sound practice of safety procedures and ensuring their compliance by the workforce is an essential function of the managers, who must see to it that important provisions are made. These include imparting instructions to the workers about machining procedures, demarcating work areas, avoiding any congestion in the work area, ensuring proper illumination at the workplace, avoiding any haphazard stacking of material. It causes inconvenience to the movement of men and material. Putting up proper display boards in case a machine goes out of order. Removing immediately any oil spillage at the workplace. Not to leave any live wires open. Highlighting the entry and exit points. Preventing storage of any inflammable material near the fire or fire-prone areas. Organizing training programs on safety aspects for the workers from time to time. Arrange live demonstration during the training to educate on correct work practices. Displaying the quality policy of the organization at appropriate places. Instituting safety awards to encourage compliance with safety practices. Ensuring availability of firefighting equipment. And providing first aid facilities to give immediate relief in case of any accident. Thus, safety is the key word that should be kept in mind while planning and carrying out any production activity. It will not only enhance production but will also make the working enjoyable and a fulfilling experience.